Hey there, YouTube. I thought I'd show how well my hood has survived after about a year's worth of use for my repair. I'll leave a link on the original video I did to how to repair this stuff, but also we're going to do a few more repairs on this with a different, slightly different backer. But first, so we had a big tear right here, and it has held up just fine, as well as this one. This repair right here, which was a large hole, I've got a new hole starting above it that I need to repair, as well as some new holes down here. One there, excuse me, let me get it in the frame. One here, one there, and one over here on the side, as well as I got one over there. The good news is all my repairs have held up just fine. What I've got is new holes. So, as I stated before, I really like this jacket. There's a couple right there. The jacket this is his third season, and of course, now if you're a hobbyist beekeeper, the same jacket might last you 9 years. This is a good jacket. I've had jackets only last me 6 months, but I tend to be, I'm working bees 5 days out of the week during the season, so I get put through a lot. Okay, folks, I'm going to show you this new method, which is I just changed out the backer for this repair. I'll show you. I'll send a link to the in the description of the first video. But I used a thin piece of metal, just a thin piece of tin. In this video, I'm going to be using this 5-ounce block of aluminum, as it will be a good conductor and a faster heat sink. So, should make the repairs go a little bit faster. So we're going to start with this hole right here. Get it laid out. And I notice I'm kind of swirling the gun. I want that glue on both sides of the netting, because if it's just on one side of the netting, it's not going to make a very good repair. And I'll lay it out a little bit more. Now it should go a little hazy when it's cooled enough. The thing with hot glue, it's kind of a self-insulating liquid, so it doesn't exactly cool down really quick. And I expect the underside with this heat sink to be ready before the top. And there you go. So, like I said, if you had holes right here where your main line of sight is, I would just throw that hood away. But if you've got a hood that's like in this case, I've just got a nice jacket and the hood's just wearing out faster than the jacket. This extended it by a year. I figure I'll repair this one more time and maybe get another year out of the jacket, then I'll throw it both away. Anyway, I hope you found this video informative, and make sure you like and subscribe. We really appreciate all your support.